Today we're building a shelf, storage shelf for the basement. I got one shelf done and getting another one ready. So we're doing 2x2s, 8 feet, and then we're doing little 2x2s over here. They're 21 inch, 1.5 here, 1.5 here. That makes it 24 inches, 2 feet. So it's gonna be 2x8 feet. Let's get started. So what we're doing is I'm pre-drilling holes for the screws so the 2x2s don't break, and then putting the screws in here, over here, here. Same thing on the other side, and that's gonna be a shelf. What I did, I bought at Home Depot, I bought these guys, like $9 each. I'm gonna screw them on. So I'm gonna put the screws in all around, and the shelf, this shelf is gonna be ready. I'm not a professional. One side is ready. For it, I put up some 2x2s on the corners and one in the middle and the back. I don't know if I'll need one right here. I'll see it when I put it together. And I'm gonna put these little planks, 1x2s, and I'm gonna rest the second shelf on them. I'm gonna put 1x2 over here, here, and here as well, and we'll see. I had to put on the middle piece right here. It was shaking a little bit. So second shelf is done. Looks like that. Gonna go up one more and one more, 2 more. Finished product. 2 feet by 8 feet shelves, 4 shelves. If you want to make it a little sturdy, more sturdy, you can do like 2x3s or 2x4s. I did 2x2s, and I did small planks of 1x2s right here. Works out for me. You got the idea.